Hey guys, it's Jessa and this is a quick tip for Canva. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am using a Windows computer. So if you are on a Mac and you hear me say Control, for you it will be Command. Just a final note as well, this tutorial unfortunately isn't for tablet or mobile devices. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create wavy text in Canva. Now when I talk about wavy text, this is sort of what I mean. So see how it's sort of swooping up and down. And it's a really cool effect if you want to do like some cool Instagram quotes, things like that. So I'm going to jump in and show you how to do it. Today I'll be using Canva, which is a free tool. So you can go to canva.com and sign up for your own account. All you need is an email address, which is really cool. It's an awesome tool and I use it every single day. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a design. So in the top right corner, hit create a design. And I am going to, so see this custom size button? I'm going to click the custom size button and I am going to make an image which is 1500 by 1500, just so it's reasonably big and we don't end up with anything pixelated. Beautiful. So I am going to add some text first. So in the left hand panel, I'm going to click text and I'm going to add some text. Now I am going to write a sentence. Have an awesome day. That is what I'm going to use. Now I'm going to customize that quickly. And I'm going to spread it out so it's all sitting on one line like that. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I've got to try and find the center of this, because what we're going to do is we're going to split the sentence into two halves. So to find the sentence, you can select the text and sort of snap it to the center and see where that appears. So see that purple line that's appeared in the center? That is telling us where the center of the text is. So we're going to have to split it around W. I'm going to grab from the W forward. I'm going to go Control C, so copy. I'm going to delete that from my current text box. And now I'm going to go Control V to paste it. And I'm going to sit them next to each other just to make sure they match up perfectly. Beautiful. Now this is ready to start adding some curves. To add some curves, we're going to do the first half of the sentence first. So select that. Now go up to effects in the top panel, click effects, and we're going to want to go to curve. So under shape, curve. And you'll see that will automatically curve it into quite a curvy curve. We're going to sort of strip that back a little bit to around the number 60. So see how that's a more gradual curve now. Now we're going to do the curve on the other side. So we're going to select this text here. So click it, go up to effects, and we're going to add another curve. So shape, curve. And what we're going to do is instead of having the curve on this side, we're going to put it on the other side, roughly around -60. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.